hi, are you still burning candles to make your home smell good? Or maybe you're doing a plug-in kind of thing, or even buying those bottles of air freshener. If you are, you should really stop, because if your candles are not 100% beeswax, if they have made with paraffin is a petroleum-based product. When you burn it, it releases toxins and known carcinogens into the air. And all of those things, the fragrance is synthetic. So again, once it's hot, once it's sprayed, once you breathe it, it's not something that you want to breathe in. But this is how you can make your very own homemade air freshener. You get to pick the scents, and you know what? It's going to actually make your environment better. And let me just say, it is really, really inexpensive to do this. What you're going to do, per 1 cup of water, you're going to do 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Now, baking soda is a natural deodorizer. It actually kind of clings on to odor particles and neutralizes them. It also helps to make your home, the air, a pH balanced level. And so this creates an environment that's less hospitable to mold, bacteria. Now, once you got your baking soda, and you can just go ahead and add water, and then you can add essential oil. The essential oil, get an all natural essential oil. Now, lavender is a great choice because lavender repels flies, moths, mosquitoes, and fleas. But any kind of smell that you want. Orange, rosemary. I had some lemon peels today, so I want to do a lemon scent. So I just brought these lemon pills to a boil and just let them cool down till it's cool. And then I'm going to pour this into my baking soda. So this is going to make me a lemon scented air freshener. But because of all those good things that are in the lavender, I'm going to add a little lavender too. So I'll have a lavender lemon scented air freshener. So this is going to not only help the air be pH balanced, it's going to help it smell good, it's going to neutralize odors, and for your 10 to 20 drops, depending on how strong that you like it. But this is going to be safe for you, for your children, and for your pets. Now, when you make your own, you know what else you do? You also eliminate all of those spray bottles, whether they're plastic or metal, or there's things that are plugging into the wall. All of that plastic gets eliminated from our landfill. And just like that, safe air freshener is going to keep your home clean, pH balanced, smelling good, and it's actually a whole lot less expensive. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you later.